So we started out with the front end. We have new entrances. We have gates now at the entrance, so they are automatic. They automatically open when you come through it. We got a lot of new refrigeration, so basically all of the outside of our walls have new refrigeration, new cases, new coolers. They retiled the entire floor. One thing that we did add is our OGP department, so our online grocery pickup. So if you haven't used it yet, you've seen all the parking stalls outside for it. You can go online and order your groceries and show up, pick a time, and we bring them out to your car for you. It's very fast, very convenient, so I encourage anyone who has not used that, please take advantage of it. It's a free service that Walmart provides. So some of the other things, we actually received the 3-in-1 counter over in the GM part of the store. So our automotive, our paint department, and sporting goods for the gun sales. We have a brand new counter over there, brand new cases. So basically it's an all-in-one counter. We can do anything from that counter, mix your paint, we can service your vehicle, we put tires on, that kind of stuff. Everything's from one counter, so just to make it more convenient and easy for the customers, it's basically an all-in-one. So we also did an addition to our restrooms. We've created a mother's room in our back room for any nursing mothers. Basically a privacy room for anybody who needs that. It's available. We also updated all of our restrooms, so they have new sinks, new fixtures in there, and new lighting. So a lot of new things happening. Our produce department got some new lighting in it, so we've updated that quite a bit. And as you can see, the signing across the walls, we've got brand new signing everywhere.
Thank you for our customers putting up with us for 11 weeks. It's kind of like coming into your house after you've been gone for a week and somebody rearranged your furniture and you run into stuff, you don't know where things are, but 7 years, we should be good for at least another 7 years now, I think. So we won't be moving things around, everything's where it's going to be. We rearranged a lot of departments. Basically the whole general merchandise side was moved around to a certain degree, just to make it for a better shopping experience. The way things are laid out now should make, once people get used to it, honestly make more sense as to when they're shopping through the store.